Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by fixing the basics that actually reduce noise fast. First, lower mic preamp gain until the background drops and your peak still reads strong. This prevents hiss from amplification. Once done, swap to a balanced cable or XLR to cut interference, and position the mic closer to the source, but angled to reject unwanted sounds. Make sure 48 volts is only on for condenser mics, because powering the wrong device can add noise or damage gear. Next, you tame remaining noise in the signal chain. Route the mic through your audio interface at 24-bit, 48K HZ or higher so you retain dynamic headroom. Insert a high-pass filter to clean low-frequency rumble, then use a gentle spectral noise reduction or expansion. Apply conservatively to avoid artifacts. Once you've set thresholds, record a dry take in parallel so you can reprocess later. Also, check monitoring latency and levels to ensure what you remove doesn't damage the voice character. Finally, you polish the track and verify the fix. Apply automated noise reduction only where needed, and use spectral repair to remove isolated clicks or hum lines. This preserves natural ambience. Add a de-esser and gentle EQ cuts to tame sibilance or buildups, then compare processed versus dry to confirm transparency. If noise persists, track down environmental causes, turn off fans, unplug USB chargers, or move wireless devices.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.